Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Zoho Finance. First step is to open a browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Zoho Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here you can see sign in button. If you don't have an account in it, you can click on sign up now and create a new account. Now to log in, click on sign in button. Now you have to type in your email address or your mobile number to log in, so type in your email. You can also directly log in with your Google account or other social media account here. Now click on next, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Zoho Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.